Hello everyone, welcome back with Fusion 360 basic 3D modeling tutorial for exercise number 12. Okay, first in here we can create new sketch and I will choose top plane. We can create circle. I will set diameter into 100. We create again circle with diameter 40. The next I will create line. Use this tools line. Click from center point into here. We create again from this center point to the top. The next use a trim command to cut this line objects, and you also can cut this circle object. Okay. Now in here we can click finish cut, and I will extrude these objects into 3D models with extrude tools. You can click here extrude tools, select to the top here, and we can set for extrusion into 35. Press enter. Now in here we can use a fillet command. You can click here fillet and select at this edge. Okay, also in here. The next we can fillet with a radius 15. Press enter to apply. We can select at this face and then we can create new sketch. I will create circle. Start from this point, center point. Move into here. The next you can click finish sketch and we can extrude these circle objects into 30. Do the same steps with this face. Okay, we can create sketch and then we can create circle from center point. The next we can use extrude tools to convert into 3D models the circle with extrusion 30. Now in here I will use seal command. Okay, you can click here seal and then I will select at this face also in here. And the next at this point we can seal with thickness 1, so it will be automatically seals and create holes. You can see. The next you can click OK to apply. Now you can select after this face. Okay, we can create new sketch. In it I will create circle. Start from this point with diameter 6, and the next circle we can create with a diameter 4. You can use select these two objects and use copy command. Okay, you can click modify, click move or copy, check for copy options, and I will copy to the right here. Okay, we copy again these two objects with this tool. Don't forget to check correct copy, and we can move to this point. And the next we can copy these two objects to the top. Okay, move to this point. Now in here we can use tangan core tools to tangan these circles into here. You can tangan by selecting one by one these circles and lines. Next in here. Okay, at this point into here, and in here into this point. The last circle from this point, and the next in here. We can click finish sketch. Okay, now to convert into 3D models, we can use extrusion tools. You can click here extrusion. For select profile, we can select at this face, and also in here. Okay, you can also select again at this point. The next in this circle, and the last in here. Now you can change for extrusion to the bottom here, and in here we can set operation into join, and we can set for distance into -20. You can click OK to apply. So it will be automatically correct these holes with distance 20. And then we already done with this exercise number 12 with Fusion 360 software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.